So, since a kid, I've always been fascinated in touring luxurious big homes, and now that I'm an adult, that love has only grew larger. Because of this, I've decided to begin a new series here on the show called The Amazing Home Tour, where I'll take you inside homes that are top-of-the-line fancy, as well as those that simply tell a story. I'll take you inside to learn more about the ins and outs. So today we're kicking off the series with a lovely $1.3 million home located in Kirkwood. You guys have got to check this out. What's going on, everyone? I'm excited to start this new series with you as I am a huge fan of home tours and just nice homes in general. And if you look behind me, we are currently in Kirkwood about to explore this big, massive home. It's a $1.3 million home on the market right now. It has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and over 3,000 square feet. I'm gonna head inside now to take a look and learn more about this big home, and it could possibly be yours, so stay tuned. I have made my way inside this beautiful home, and I'm joined with Brittney Harris, St. Louis real estate advisor, who is showing me around this beautiful home, and she's just going to take over the stage right now and just fill us in on, what does this house have to offer?
Absolutely. So we are in the city of Kirkwood today, and we are here with this home in Kirkwood that is 6 beds and 6 baths, that is over 5,000 square feet of livable space, luxury living at its finest.
So I know you mentioned that there are other lots here in this soon-to-be community, and I'm going to get to that in a second, but right now I want to talk about this home that we're in right now, the one that's already built. So from the middle to the bottom to the top, because there's 3 floors. This place is huge. So can you fill us in on kind of every floor and some of the key highlights?
Correct. Yeah. So this is a 1.5 story home. It is a 3-car garage. Again, it's over 5,000 square feet. So we have our main level, which has the master bath on the bathroom. So in the actual master suite, you're going to have a really spacious area that has access to the covered patio or the deck. And then we have our main floor area which houses the family room, and that has a stone gas stove that also is 2-sided, that also goes out into the deck as well. This home is totally an entertainer's dream, right? So downstairs you'll have your open stone bar that also has an ice maker, a beverage cooler, and then it also has your dishwasher. So really great family area that is adjacent to that. And then not only does it have that, it also has a room temperature wine cellar downstairs as well, which is the real perk of this home. And then also it has a full bedroom with a walk-in closet, and then another full bathroom, and then as well as a gym. And so there's a mirrored gym downstairs so that you can kind of get your workout on as well. And then that also leads out into the walkout basement patio area. So this subdivision will house 8 homes. So all of those homes will look completely different. So it's not cookie cutter. They're all totally different and have their own features available, right? So there are 7 other lots available. In this community, there will also be a lighted trail walkway that goes around the community, as well as a pet park, which is a really nice feature if you have pets as well. And then also the community will have a stone monument as you enter the community as well. And then last but not least, it will be a full service community, which means it's maintenance free basically.
So amazing. I love that so much, and I can't wait to keep it going.